You know, what did I just do? Just look at that. Just look at that. Oh no, oh no. Hi guys, and today making some pancakes. Now I have never done this before. I have my teacher right here, YouTube. So I'm just going to show you my ingredients real quick. Sugar, baking powder, salt, flour, tablespoon, dish, bowl, and eggs. Whew. So let's get started. So first I'm going to need to listen to what she's saying, then we now pick it up. Okay, so first of all we add the flour. I'm not planning on making pancakes for the whole world here. Just going to add a little. So this is how much is in the bowl. Not too much. This is how much is in the bowl. Not much things. Now I'm making so many eggs. Next, I'll add the powder here. I think I don't want like that fluffy pancakes. I'm just going to take a spoonful. One spoonful of the baking powder. Okay. Next, we are going to put in the mixture of flour and baking powder in here. Note, I have not done this before. Teacher YouTube is my teacher. So this is dry ingredients, of course. So I'm going to take my eggs with the same spoon. By the way, comment down below like what you use for cracking eggs. A spoon, fork, or the plate. I prefer this spoon because it's really much easier to use. So yes. So before I whip this up, I'm going to bring my milk. So this is not a lot of milk. I'm just going to put them in together. So I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this is my cooking eggs. It's changing color again. It's changing color from like white milk to like yellow. Just look at that. Just look at that. Milk and eggs. Just look at that. I'm just going to give these a good stir and I'll see you when I'm done. I have my dough ready and now it's time to cook. Hey! And behold, this is where it all happens. So I have my pan right here, my oil and my dough. So I'm just going to light this fire. So we have lighted the gas, putting the oil. I'm just waiting for this oil to spread across the pan, more like making it spread across the pan. Then that's what I do here. I cover it. There you can see my doughy dough kind of. So I'm going to have my spoon pancakes. So oh, my pancakes becoming fluffy, a bit fluffy. You can see around the edges, it's becoming a bit fluffy. And here too. So apparently this is becoming a sample, like I see in all those pancake videos. Why isn't my pancake becoming a sample? For quite some time now. Now we need to. Oh no. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. This tiny little piece. So it is time for the judge to decide. Taste it. You're the judge of the day.
This is mine?
Yes.
for tasting.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice.
What would you rate it?
Out of
10.
9.5. Very nice.
You have all heard, he gave my pancake an 8 out of 10, which is not that bad. I would give myself an 8. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and if you subscribe, comment down below Dan Kim, and you will be featured in next week's video. Bye guys.